Welcome back to another installment of Interior Grind, where we're grinding for good design. Today we are somewhere in Fresno off of Highway 6 or some highway outside of Houston, Texas. We are at the M&I home. We're not going to this one story. We're going to the two-story to the right. And, we're going to call this the Owl House, and you'll see why. Who's at the house? Oh, it's my sister. Hoo. She's trying to be the star, but you know what? I'm going to let her be the star of this experience. But let's go on in. They have a front porch. I like the front porch, and they put a modern, sleek bench. They could have put a plant there. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's open. I like open. I don't know if I like this open. I do like some distinction of rooms. Like to the right, they have a room designated for an office. It could be an extra living room. They put an old-fashioned typewriter. There's a horse. They love putting up horse art. And did you notice that owl in the back? You'll see more owls. And here's a room designated for dining. They have that green wall. I don't know why they did that, but hey, if you like green, I like it in my money. And here to the right is a laundry room. An open two-story living space. They have a super tiny Art Deco green sofa that, for ceilings this high, you could have raised up that sofa, but the stagers did what the stagers did. The rug is a little scraggly. I like the pattern though. So let's go into the kitchen. They have 4 stools at the bar. The island. It's a large island. The backsplash and the countertops not really working for me. That gray is a little too taupish, and the backsplash is a little too cool gray. But I won't fault them. They have an extra large square table in the breakfast area. And wood vinyl flooring throughout. Yes, that's the thing, everybody. No one's doing wood floors anymore. Because of the climate and the flooding, it's best to do vinyl just as a safety. So let's go into this master/main/primary bedroom where they have this giant canopy bed with a painting tucked right behind it. Like, the painting can't even breathe, but it's fine. They have all these windows, so you can get a lot of light in this room, but it wasn't giving a lot of light. So let's move into the bathroom, the main bathroom. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I hate cased-in tubs. They just scream danger to me. Just danger. Like, look, get in there. I can hurt myself and hurt my thing. And ooh, God forbid you get in there with your guy. But they have double sinks, double vanities, a large walk-in shower, and the closet is a nice size. Yeah, for both people can, share the space. I mean, I can share that space. I don't have that many clothes, but some people, I can't share this space. You don't have to get your own closet. That's selfish. Let's move on out. Move on out of this bedroom, this barren. They could have added some flair to this styling, but they didn't. There's another horse, of course, like Mr. Ed, the famous Mr. Ed horse, of course. So let's go on upstairs. Ooh, there are people trying to do a photo shoot in the house. They're trying to get their content on like me, but we'll see I don't know what their handles are, so we don't know. But they have these side windows going up. Keep on going. Ooh, this is a zoo house. They have a wild buffalo on the wall. Oh yeah, in the game room with a pool table and a little cart like George Jefferson used to keep his liquor on the cart. Yeah, let's go on it. Oh, look what they have, a moose head on the wall. Oh, let's go on into this room. Who is that? Is this a smart room? Because Albert Einstein is on the wall. Yeah, oh, I think this room might be for a boy. Or is it gender neutral? I don't know. Let's move on through. Wait, there's my sister trying to steal the show. Yeah, she's always trying to steal the show. I'll just let her have the show because I'm not on camera. I'm controlling the camera. They were kind of going in. There's that owl. There's an owl. Woo. This room is full of owls. It's like a wild forest in here, full of owls. There's another owl and another owl. Who? Who's Mike Jones? So, this is the owl room with a canopy that doesn't necessarily work. Oh, hey, there I am. Oh my God, we have a show, everybody. Oh, wash it out. Oh, wash it out. Oh, wash it out. Oh, wash it out. South side, wash it out. East side, wash it out. Oh, hey, wash it out. Oh my gosh, she tried it. She really is trying to put on a show, everybody. But let's go into this other room. And there was another aisle, by the way. This room. First, let's go to this bathroom. Bathroom has some cheap tile on the floor, but we'll let it pass. But this room is ginormous. They did the least, not the most, to stage this room. They could have put a sofa, a shades, or something to make that room give what it needed to give. Oh, now you see me? Now you don't. Now you see me? Now you don't. Oh my God. Overall, I like the layout of this house. I like the openness. I like the size of the rooms. The game room is large. The staircase is large. The dining room is large. The office is large. I wish they put some wood vinyl flooring on these stairs though. And there are those people again. But till next time, like and subscribe.